Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to class 7th of Indus Valley Public School, Raj, where we were doing the poem The Rebel, composed by DJ and Riot. So, my dear children, in this poem, we have studied about the description of a rebel, a person who does not conform to the norms of the society, a person who would contradict others in order to be different, in order to attract others towards him. That's why he is behaving in a different manner. The character of the rebel in the poem is not based on a political activist, but it seems to be a character of a young adolescent trying to be different. There are many instances where we can find that he is not trying to hurt anyone. Simply, he just wants to gain the attention of the reader or gain the attention of the public towards him. So, a rebel here is a person who wants to be different from the society. He did not want to go hand in hand with the norms of the society. Okay, this is what we read in the poem The Rebel, composed by DJ Enright. And in the last video we have written the summary of the poem, and here we are going to do the question answers of the poem. Okay, children, so your first question answer is, if someone does not wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? What the teacher will say? The teacher would scold the student who would not be interested in the uniform while coming to school. Next question. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants the sun. Next question. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what everyone else likely to have? If a rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Next question. Why it is good to have rebels? One of the most important question. It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Children, this is the most important question. Please learn it. Why it is not good to be a rebel oneself? Again, an important question. It is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always critiques his behavior. Next question. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why? I would like to be a rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the herd mentality. However, it is not easy to be a rebel, as the rebels are always critiqued by the society for their different behavior. So children, this answer will be your preference. इस आंसर में बताना है कि आपको rebel होना पसंद है या नहीं होना पसंद है, या आप अपने पसंद का आंसर लिख सकते हैं. For according to me, I have given an answer like I love to be a rebel. मुझे rebel होना पसंद है because they are behaving in a different manner. But it is very difficult to be a rebel because society used to criticize them. So this answer is according to me. If you do not want to be a rebel, you can give your answer and you can say that I do not want to be a rebel because rebels are always criticized by the society. So being a part of the society, I would like to go according to the society's norm. Okay, so both you can write the answer. You can write you love to be a rebel. Why? If you love to be a rebel, then answer is here. If you do not love to be a rebel, then you can say that I do not like to be a rebel because I am a part of the society and I would like to go in accordance to the norm of the society, as I am living in the society. And society people are not easy to accept the rebels. Okay, they are always criticizing them. So I cannot survive in the critics of the society. This will be the other answer. Okay, children? Fine. Moving to the next part. Find in the poem and antonyms of the word for each the following words. So long ka antonym is short, that is given in the poem. Grow ka is cut, quietness disturbance, sober fantastic, lost ka find. Next question, you have to find out the lines, which lines suggest these things. So question is, find in the poem lines that match the following. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. So line is, the rebel lets his hair grow long. He says cats are better. So answer line is, he put in a good word for dogs. He recommends dog. He has a preference for cats. He is unhappy because there is no sun when everybody is greeting the rain. He is noisy on purpose when everybody talks during the lesson. So these are the lines that suggest all this meaning. Now some of the extra questions I am providing you. Please write it. First question is, why do rebels always contradict the others? The rebels always contradict others because they wish to stand out, be different and stand out from the rest of the crowd. They wish to retain their voice and preference as well as opinions rather than blindly following the crowd. So, they want to present themselves in front of the society. They do not want to follow the crowd. They want to be different from the crowd. That's why they contradict the other people. वो दूसरों से अलग होना चाहते हैं, वो भीड़ को फॉलो नहीं करना चाहते, ना भीड़ की बात मानना चाहते हैं, वो अपना ओपिनियन उनके सामने रखना चाहते हैं, इसलिए रीबल दूसरों से कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करता है. दिस इज व्हाट एक्सप्लेन इन द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डज द सोसाइटी डिसअप्रूव of the rebels? So why society is not accepting the rebels? So answer is, the rebels do not conform to the standard decision and choices made by the society at large. They have their own opinions, unique thinking and different, and at times even go to the extent to contradicting others merely to highlight themselves as unique. So why society is not accepting the rebel? Because these rebels are not following the standard, the norms, the rules, the regulation made by them, and for opposing them, they are not liking the rebels. And their opinions are whose? Society's opinion is different, rebels' opinions are different. That's why society people or other people are not accepting the rebels. Okay, children. One more question is there, that is from the extract base, that means from the stanza. So let's see. So read the extract given below and answer the following questions. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So now here, reading this context, you have to answer the question. So first question is, with reference to the above extract, do you think it is good to be a rebel? Answer, no. To go against the flow just to show that you are different or to prove your superiority is wrong. Unnecessarily breaking the rule unless there is some noble cause is not acceptable. तो unnecessary किसी को rules को break करना is not good. Unnecessary कहीं disturbance create करना is not good. That's why answer is no. Next question. Can there be a good reason behind staying silent when everybody is talking? क्या कि शांत रहना अच्छा है जब कोई बात करता है? क्या वो रीज़न अच्छा है? Okay. Yes. Sometimes people keep on arguing unnecessary out of their ignorance of the entire and actual situation. In such situation, a wise man should stay silent. जब कोई बिना कुछ जाने आपसे बहस करता है, उस जगह पे शांत रहना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है rather than उनको उल्टा जवाब देने के लिए. Okay? Next question. Can there be a good reason behind speaking when everybody else is silent? Yes. Sometimes people do not dare to raise voice against the wrong happening. But a rebel cannot tolerate unfair things and raises voice against it. If nobody dares to speak, the ones who do wrong are encouraged to do so ever again. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जहाँ कहीं अगर गलत होता है, उस जगह अगर हमने आवाज़ नहीं उठाई तो वो चीज़ बढ़ती जाएगी. इसलिए जहाँ कहीं आप गलत देखिए वहाँ पे रिबल बनिए, उनके अगेंस्ट बोलिए, क्योंकि अगर हमने एक बार बढ़ावा दे दिया तो वो हमेशा के लिए बढ़ावा बनता जाएगा। इसलिए वहाँ आप जहाँ कहीं गलत हो वहाँ पे ज़रूर बोलिए। दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस आंसर। Nice question. You are be here in this question. Options are provided. The most appropriate answer you have to write it. So what is that the question? What do you think the rebel does not like? Opposing the authority, taking lesson in the classroom, going with the flow, taking advice of an illiterate person. So answer is going with the flow. Next one. What must be the main motto of a rebel in your opinion? So teaching the society to be dutiful, obeying the rules, bringing this harmony or bringing about the change. Answer is bringing about the change. Next question. What does a rebel do when nobody talks during the class? So creates a disturbance, teaches the teacher, spoils the atmosphere or runs away. So answer is creates a disturbance. Okay children, so please write these question answers in your notebook. Forward me to my WhatsApp so that I can check whether you have done the work or not. So here the moral of the poem is, it is good to be a rebel in the benefit of the people, not to hurt anyone's feeling. मतलब rebel बनिए दूसरों के लिए ताकि उनका अच्छा हो सके, उनका भला हो सके, ना कि उनका कोई नुकसान हो या कहीं हम उनको हर्ट करें उनकी फीलिंग को। रीबल बनना अच्छा है लोगों की अच्छाई करने के लिए, किसी की बुराई या किसी को हर्ट करने के लिए नहीं। दिस इज व्हाट द मॉरल ऑफ द पोएम द रीबल composed by DJ and Wright. So children, write all these things in your notebook, forward me so that I can check it out. Thank you so much. Take care.